everybody, happy Halloween from Cabana Bay. Today we're gonna show you the entire resort, and then our other video is gonna show us horror night. So I'm Kissa,
and this is Colby,
and you're watching the Doody destination. So let's go. Hi, Gru! Happy Halloween! We have a friend for Halloween. Cabana Bay has such a cool retro vibe. It's themed after those classic 1950 and 60 beach resorts, complete with neon signs, vintage music, and even bowling. The whole hotel itself actually opened in 2014, and it's got over 2,000 rooms, including family suites that can sleep up to 6 people. It's super convenient if you're traveling with a group. There are 2 huge pools, a lazy river, and one of the best views of Volcano Bay that you can get without even leaving your hotel. Plus, if you stay here, you get early park admission to Universal, which is always a nice bonus. I love how they go all out with seasonal decorations too. As you can see, they've really leaned into the Halloween vibes this year. Between the spooky decor and such a retro soundtrack in the background, it feels like stepping into a vintage Halloween postcard. Overall, I really enjoyed our stay. However, I feel like we shouldn't be charged so much for parking as a Florida resident, because obviously we have to drive there. So I just feel like $50 was a little too steep for parking, and it adds a lot to your bill right now. So they're like, oh, well, you're saving money, but you're not really when you have to pay for parking. So that's just one recommendation that I wish they would change. But overall, I definitely love this resort. Unfortunately, we didn't get to check out the pool because it's so cold. Also, we arrived on a Friday, so there was a lot of characters out, which I really liked. I haven't seen them really do that before, so I was really happy. So if you have little ones, definitely, I think that's like a little bit of a perk to stay here, because the characters were really fun and they were both really, really nice.
yeah.
He doesn't have a costume.
I know. Shame on me.
Yeah. Cameraman costume, I guess.
Likes your sticker.
Thank you.
Thank you.
He's so cool. I love his outfits. I love all the characters in here. All right, we gotta get to our room and check in, so we gotta go. So when you arrive, you'll park right out here, out front, and we're here. Okay, we're 4747, so come on in. So when you come inside, can you guys close the blind so I can record better? You have a full mirror. We got
That's pretty good.
your hair dryer, just some towels down there, hand soap, cups. And then this is just like a basic shower. We have some soap in there. And they have some VO5. Very cute. Again, today's Halloween. All right, say hi, guys.
Hello.
So this is the 2-bedroom. We got some cute art going on. Can you guys turn a light on? It's a better shot with actual lights on so we can see what's going on. Babe! And his gator hat. So these turn on their own. So that's pretty cool. And then just you have a pen and paper, a phone, a remote, Miss Katrina, her cool guy she made. She's awesome.
That's crazy.
Cheers, don't mind our stuff. But that's another light too. I'm not sure how to turn it off. They also give you some coffee, Keurig, an ice bucket. Okay, now this footage was taken the next day. I kind of want to just show you what the parking lot actually looks like, what it kind of looks like on the back end, and where you'll actually be walking. So I'm just going to do a quick walk and tour for the next couple minutes, and then like I said, our next video will be Halloween at Horror Nights. So like, subscribe, and check it out. It's really chilly today and people are still swimming, so I'm just trying to get Kat to go swimming, but she said it's too chilly. But so I absolutely love Cabana Bay. This is one of my favorite hotels. This is probably my third time staying here, but I want to go see if they overhauled the lobby for Christmas, and I'm going to show you inside. It's absolutely massive. Ooh, I love the bamboo. So one of the reasons this is like my favorite hotel is because you can actually park like pretty close to your room usually. I feel like some of the hotels, they like put you so far away, and being a Florida resident now, like I always like leave stuff in the car, so. And there's Volcano Bay. Secretly, this song's my jam too, so. So this is the dining area, and I'll go show you the cafe. This is the bowling or rec center. The theming is so cute. I was trying to get Kat to come with me. She loves arcades. It's just massive. So Cabana Bay actually has a bowling alley in here. So if we sneak in, there's not really anybody bowling right now, but it is open. And so some nights they do like a galactic bowling. So this is the gym. 5 a.m. till 10. Nope, we still have pumpkin theming going on down here. No characters either for checkout. For your buck. I hate that they charge so much for parking, you know, especially Florida residents. You know, I think sometimes that's deterred us from staying on site. Like, we almost didn't stay on site this time because of like the parking. So Universal, work on that, especially like if you're a pass holder. All right, let's go downstairs. So I really want to see what they have for Christmas. So I see some Christmas. That's so cute. I love that frame. Very cool. I think this is everything pretty much found in the park. Some more new bridge. It's really, really cute. The PJ pants and the plush. And Simpsons, of course, because I love Simpsons. So this is Starbucks. It's located right in the hotel itself. And by the looks of the line, I would mobile order. Alright, so right now we're downstairs where we saw the seating, and I'm just going to show you what they have for food. So they have cups. We got a sandwich last night coming back. They were open till 3 a.m. on horror nights. Fresh fruit. Pizza, pasta, deli sandwich and wraps. Cereal. This is all drinks. I think the Cabana Bay cups are so cute. Packaged pastries. So I feel like it's a super kid-friendly hotel, and I think that's why I like staying here too. I'm a picky eater, so just never wants to eat like anything. So it really actually helps a lot. So let's go check outside. So I feel like there's a lot of places that you can sit, like if you're waiting for a flight. I've seen a lot of people in like the different gardens or wherever, just kind of hanging out, enjoying the ambience. So now here to my left, that's where I went in. So basically I did a big circle. That's another thing I really like about Cabana Bay is it's really easy to navigate, especially they give you a map at check-in. I put it in with my stuff somewhere or I would post it. But it's super easy to find your way around, and I highly recommend downloading Pokemon Go because it'll help you like navigate your world a lot easier. But have you guys stayed at Cabana Bay? What's your favorite Universal resort? Leave it in the comments. But yeah, so don't hold me to it, but I'm pretty sure they added that tower like after. So I think the rooms are a little bit nicer. So if you have the money, definitely stay there. Overall though, like I said, if you have a family, it's one of my favorite resorts. Really handicap friendly. There's a lot of ramps, a lot of paths. And I feel like a lot of hotels you don't find that anymore. So that's definitely something important to note. I love the plants. This is like my dream yard eventually. So down by the tower, they do have like ping pong, and that's the hot tub. I don't want to, you know, I like to give people their privacy, but overall, I'm really disappointed. I was hoping like they would rehaul the lobby, you know, for Christmas, because don't get me wrong, I love my Halloween, but Christmas is where it's at. I'm like a little kid still. So yeah, we're gonna I think head to Disney Springs. So that will be the next video to see if they're rocking for Christmas yet. So thanks for tuning in. Don't forget to like and subscribe, and find us on Instagram under Doody Destinations. And so that was the view we had. And like I said, there's a lot of parking, which I really, really love, because our room's like, you know, right here, and then our car is like right over here. So it was really helpful, and they have a parking garage for overflow. But today is the day after Halloween, so it's a Saturday, and there's absolutely plenty of parking. So